My name is Dale Davidson. I'm the owner and creator of Umana Yana restaurant here in Albany, New York. I was born in Georgetown, Guyana, South America. I had my formative years there, my elementary school, high school, and then I came here to university in New York City. I enjoyed getting out of the city on the weekend. Came into Albany, I got a place for myself, and I needed to have the experience of travel and diversity that I was accustomed to, and I did not find that here. So as you learn, if you want something, you have to create it. Now, being from a country with 6 different cultures, I believe that diversity creates change, it creates understanding, it creates empathy. So as a result of that, I wanted to put it all together and create a space where we can experience Afro-Caribbean and Indo-Caribbean or Asian Caribbean cuisines. We have a dish on the menu called the Dartmouth Village Red Bean Stew. My mother is from a small village in the country, an agrarian town called Dartmouth Village, where in the early 1970s, they became the largest producer of red beans in the country. And as a result of that, my mother created a stew that she would use other herbs, Asian herbs, star anise because of the Asian influence, and fresh ginger and so on. And that is one of my favorites on the menu, Dartmouth Village Red Bean Stew. Umana Yana means meeting place for the people in the indigenous Wawa Amerindian language. There's so many good memories that are formed around food and around gathering places where meals are consumed, where your culture might call it something, another culture might call it palau, we might call it cook-up rice, but it's the same thing, it's the same concept where great memories and great stories are created around food.
Explore the flavors of the capital region featuring Umana Yana and other local eateries at a celebratory neighborhood block party, July 23rd under the Hoosick Street Bridge in Troy, New York.